Yo! What's good with y'all? Alright. We gotta really talk about the B58 and oil consumption. Just wanted to let y'all know my experience with burning oil on this engine. First off, I got this car, this M440, from a Chevy dealership in Chicago. Mind you, I'm 3 hours away. I make my drive home. Now, mind you, I had the salesman check the oil for me just to make sure, you know, like the oil pump was good. So he checks the oil and it read full. It was literally all the way full. I buy the car because everything checked out, literally. I bought the car. And then on that 3 hour drive home is when the problem started coming. As soon as I drove on the highway, and then when I made it home, I checked the oil again just to see where the level was at, just to make sure I wasn't burning any oil, because on the Q50, I think I had bad turbos on that car. So on the Q50, it was burning oil pretty bad. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. It was burning oil. Like, I was putting in a quart, I wanna say like every, not even 1,000 miles. Like, I'm putting in a quart, less than that. But so when I buy my B58 car, I know I want a B58. So as soon as I get home, I check the oil level, and I literally lost some oil just on that drive home, just on that 3 hour drive. I lost, like, I don't even know how much that was. It was just, it wasn't full anymore, I could say that. So when I lost the oil, I called the dealership up and I was like, bro, this car is burning oil. Like, I called the dealership. I asked for the service department, and I asked the lady that was on the phone, I said, what kind of oil do y'all put in all of y'all cars? And the lady told me that they use Valvoline oil in all of their cars. Mind you, this is a Chevy dealership, but she told me that they put, it's hot, bro. Hold on. She had told me that they put Valvoline OW20, and then the lady was telling me that any OW20 would work for my car. She said it didn't, because I asked her at first, I said, did it meet the BMW long life spec? And she told me that, she assured me that it didn't need to, and just to use OW20, like any OW20 would work. So then I was like upset at that point, and I was like, bro, no, I didn't even believe that. I was like, it at least has to, you know, meet the BMW spec. So I just hung up. I literally made this post saying how I burned through some oil just on my drive home. Long story short, I don't believe in like magic oils or anything, but I literally fixed the oil consumption. Like, I want to say I'm almost 5,000 miles on the changed oil, and we haven't burned, I haven't burned a lick of oil since using this new oil. But I'm about to tell y'all what oil I'm using. This oil, liquid moly. It's a Special Tech B FE, and this meets some form of the BMW long life. It doesn't meet like the 17, but it does meet the BMW long life 01 FE. So as soon as I use this, y'all, I kid you not, it has not burned a lick of oil. And I don't even believe in like magic oils. I really don't. But that much goes to show that I'm not having like an internal failure with rings or anything in my engine. It's probably just like the type of oil that they use. I mean, I did up the weight to OW30, but I don't know how much of a difference that will make. And if I really did have like a oil ring, a piston ring issue, it would at least go down some still. Like it would make the oil consumption less. It wouldn't completely like fix it, but in my case, I want to say like it's fixed. I'm about to go like 5,000 or 6,000 miles on this oil just to make sure, but it has not went down at all. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know what helped me and my experiences. This oil is literally what helped my engine stop burning. Like, my oil don't even burn anymore. And when I first had this, dang, that's hot. When I first had this car, I was also losing coolant. Like, I was losing some oil and I was also losing coolant. But the coolant ended up being just a bad cap. I literally bought another cap for like 20 to 30 bucks and that fixed that issue. And then for the oil, I literally went like 3,000 miles on that Valvoline oil, I guess, that they put in my stuff. And I want to say it almost burned a full quart of oil. And I'm like the type to be really picky about my oil, because once you're like a quart low, then you're messing with oil pressure at that point. So I'm really picky on not letting it get that low. But yeah, this oil right here is what helped me. Did 7 liters of this, and it's literally fixed up. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a video on what happened with my experience and how I fixed the oil burning issue. I want to say it's fixed, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna probably go like, I'm 4,000 miles on the oil. I'm probably go like 6,000 just to make sure if it burned through even a little bit, but it hasn't. Let's see. Let's see if it'll let me change or let me check the oil. Yeah, it won't let me. Gotta drive it. But yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to give y'all my experience on this issue. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, let me know, what are y'all experiences on the oil consumption, and what have y'all used to mitigate the issue? Because this right here, this is some good stuff. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all did to rectify this issue. And thank you for watching. But I'm out.